Oh, wow.
Everything was a new start.
Bye-bye.
Everything was a new. My favorite thing in the world to do, like my absolute favorite thing in the world to do is nothing. Be a professional.
The
Nothing.
favorite thing is to do is do nothing.
Because it's so easy. Every year.
Dito lang tayo magsistay sa sasakyan.
Ah, because you know what? It's not a good thing because now
Ito na kayong pag-jam, mabigat.
it's a good thing because you came
Errol Aguilar.
you came early, so that's why you are already. Yeah. Masarap.
First to go in.
Yeah. First you go out because you go from other
Okay,
side.
standby muna ako. Papasok ng letter eh.
Kayla, you know how to swim, Kayla, you know how to swim? You know how to swim, Kayla?
I'll teach Ella. We will swim in the
Ako magsasalita sila kami sido.
Yeah.
gagawa.
I'm gonna make you jump. I'm gonna throw you out. You remember we went to the beach before? You remember? Huh?
Where?
In Subic, right? In Sambalata. Sambales. Yeah, you remember? Sambales. I think it was still Corona at that time.
Titanic.
You're in the middle. Wow, look at you, special guy. Okay. Okay po. Salamat po. Alis na po.